So number translations are definitely going to be your friend, in any sort of data storytelling. It's just not natural for us to be talking in numbers of hundreds of thousands or millions or billions, or even talking in percentages, which are obscure numbers. It's very hard for us to hang on to those in our mind. We need something to make them stick. Right. In fact, I was really inspired by Heath and Starr have just written a book called Making Numbers Count. And when I read that, I just thought, we've got to have this sort of idea in data storytelling. Okay. So the basic idea, I was coaching. I'll give you an example. I was coaching a fellow, a leader in one of the big tech companies. He's up in India, and he'd been just told. He's been given this promotion, but of course there's always a double-edged sword with promotions. He was given his promotion and then told that he had to reduce 30% of his budget every year for the foreseeable future, right? And, it makes things pretty tough when you have to do that. And I said to them, well, maybe you need to find a good number translation. What would that look like? And the one that we came up with was playing cricket. So imagine you've got 11 players, and they're on the field, and every year you take 30% of those players away from that team. You end up very quickly, in 4 or 5 years, with equivalent of backyard cricket, and that's just not professional, right? That's not where we want to be. And he works in the security area, so again, there's all sorts of things about what you could say about the links to security. So that's a number translation. Those guys, I reckon, will not forget how he talks about this topic by pulling into something that everyone understands in his area. India just loves their cricket, just like Australia, and so it will make sense. So add number translations to your data storytelling.